Hi Brumby lovers, just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on installing the Subarino dash insert. So I have installed the universal mounting bracket, and I've also painted everything black, and it's come out really nice. And my single DIN head unit, I'll just grab it, I've just hooked it up like that, so the top holes are free, and you can see it's holding half the plate, and that seems to be keeping it in place just fine. So I tested it last night and it clicked in and was solid. So yeah, it's basically all in there, ready to go, painted, looks neat. I'll do another quick video once it's all in.